Hello everyone. This is my first ever devlog, and I'm working on a game that I started after seeing some news on the internet about a new technology that Japan is doing. Uh, by the way, this is my first ever time speaking, especially English, to a camera. So yeah, I don't know what to say. I saw this news that there is technology that uses piezoelectric uh, stuff to turn footsteps into electricity. Uh, I started seeing this, I started seeing how it works and everything. And it gave me idea. This new kind of reminded me of, by the way, congrats to Japan. Uh, this news reminded me of those idle mobile games where you can do stuff practically idle, and you have those upgrade buttons and everything. I know it's a very dumb idea to mix this news with uh, a mobile game, but when I have some any type of idea, doesn't matter how stupid it is, I will do this idea. So yesterday I started working on a planning how do we do. First I started think about how they're gonna work. So it's gonna be a street. Let me grab a drawing here. It's gonna be like this. There is this game here. There will be people walking here. A person appears for here, it goes to here. Each step, which is I think 1 second, I can look right there. At each 1 second, that person will generate some energy, which will appear right here. I put E here, just so you can see it. There is the cache that I will explain how you get it later. And this one will be the quest buttons, which is like those daily quests and stuffs. Here we will have I think it was four. Let me see. There is the cache, there is the upgrades, there is the reboot. Yeah, it's three. There is three buttons. Sorry if I take it so long to explain. It's like literally my first time, and I'm doing this video without script. I'm just saying what I'm doing. In the future, maybe I will start doing more elaborate videos. And like for example, let me open more. This is the convert button, which it grabs that energy. So cash will be energy multiplied by a tax. Yes, this will include taxes too. Tax, I think it will be 0,4 seconds. Second, oh my god, will be 0,4. Like for example, cash, I got here. I put the value here and click convert. It will show a preview of the final value, and For example, you have 1000 energy and multiply by 0,4, which will be 400 cash. So this is how the cash will work, and I will use this for the rebut. I will explain later how it works. Let me just draw here. Maybe it's better if I just show you on the minor note. So, walkers, which the name I gave, spawns and walks automatically. So, it will appear on the screen like I show it here, automatically. So, it's like a street. There will be buildings here. It will be a graded background, a very soft design. Let's see here. When he walks, it will generate energy. And also there is a thing that I forgot to tell, that if you click like in the screen, let me see, there is no way to disable. There is no way. You click and you pop a sound, and let me see, there's something more here. Click. Here I'm Brazilian, and this part I gave up typing English, so I type everything in Portuguese. But here, back here, click sound, light vibration. When you have those events, they will show here. There's the click button. So everything I say right now, I just show you here, so I'm gonna just skip. There is the game loop. I have the walkers that will convert into energy, which will convert to coins, which can be used to upgrades, and then more walkers will appear, and more energy, and then it happens again. There's the events here. I'm gonna display later. There's the day side, which will interfere in the events tab. Each 3 minutes, it's gonna be an entire day. The day will what's the name in English? 19 seconds a day will last. It's gonna be a blue bright sky. It's gonna be more bright, and we'll have you will give the idea of actually ambient. Like there will be the lights turning on a little on the buildings. There will be more people. There will be more types of people. Afternoon, which will have a gradient, a beautiful gradient. So imagine for 45 seconds that goes from orange to purple. And we'll focus this for myself, alright? It's not for the game. I'm gonna focus on make the sky more beautiful, like you see your sunset. And the night, I forgot to type stuff here, but be black, kind of blue sky. And this will have an event here. Resource, that's how I made the calculations. Energy is generated by walkers, not people. Energy per step, and multiplier. I forgot to put here that each second the walk appears. And then it can be converted by cash with that's being worked for. I just had another brilliant idea. I'm gonna let it for another day. That involves these conversion tests. How to generate the cash? It's gonna be generated at the conversion button, which will be energy at multiplied by conversion tests. And cash is used as the value for upgrades. Uh, so like the example I just showed here, it will always be more than half that we will lose. But it is to make people work more because as I don't want this game to be too easy but at the same time not too hard, which is why I chose this number. I started calculate, imagining how it will be played and energy per step. Uh, it's more stuff that I need to remember. Uh, like for example, a note I've made for myself is that energy per step at the first upgrade will start at 1 second. Well, one energy per each one step. And then here, this was hard to write. It was really hard to write. Uh, Basic. Energy per step, 100 cash. It will be the main one. Each time you upgrade, the cost will increase more than half. But why are you going to increase it a lot? Because look, there's a lot of upgrades. It's not gonna be on this one. That's why I made the cost increase so high in this, because like you upgrade this and then there will be cash for this. It's even cheaper because they really you make more people upgrade in these other stuffs. Will attract more attention to people wanting to progress. And there's the place type, the 16. Let me grab the pen again. Like for example, the 16 will take 10 seconds from start to finish, and will be the duration he will be generate energy. So for example, it will be 1 energy per second. A runner will run for 6 seconds because he's running, right? And the energy will be 1.5 energy per second. It's actually not in second, it's the time between steps. It's gonna be changed later. Uh, the walker will walk for, because he's holding stuff, for 14 seconds. It's be more rare. It are gonna define it later. It will walk for 14 seconds. It will be 2.5. And there is the reboot. I thought reboot was better. Reboot because it's like if you rebooting the system to a new one, you upgrade it to a new system. So it's like the default system. It's gonna reset progress but stay with payment bonus. The first reboot will be with 10,000 cash. The cost will increase 2.5. The bonus increases. Wait, that's wrong. I might have. Oh no, it's right. It's right. Like for example, on the when we put, it's gonna be to 25,000 cash later. The bonus will increase 12%, and critical chance increases plus 0.5%. There is the cost. You don't need to analyze it. It's just me planning how we'll build the whole thing inside Unity. I don't even know if I wrote this code right to see if it works, but it's like idea. There's this you can, and there's the when I start typing Portuguese because I was feeling impatient. There's nothing here. I can't show this because of copyright. We grab some reference for design. I said that you can't show this board. UI. There is the click button, convert button, electricity bar. I forgot over here. Cache bar. Cache bar we will show in the top. And the upgrade stars. The feedback, which is direction stuffs, which is a very important thing to have here, is the number will be jumping. All right, so like he walk here, and each step, the person will know it generates energy because there will be a little number saying the amount of energy. It was a complete random. It starts at +1. If you have particles, like when the person clicks, and there's the click sound. Each time you click, there will be a very soft. I've already programmed this in Ableton, and there is the light, very light vibration. Like I will explain the events on another video because it's getting way too long. It's been 60 minutes. I need to accelerate. The prototype. This is everything. It's like everything I need to do inside Unity. I don't need to explain this. There is also here. And fun fact, I don't understand really about color theory. So what I did, I grabbed those reference. It doesn't fit exactly the color. There is one reference for the UI and another for the colors. I literally asked the ChatGPT to analyze these images, and based it on all this description, I want it to be more cartoonish and not technologic, neon, cyberpunk stuff. And it will comment this for the background, click boost. I didn't like this very much, but we will see when I make to see if it fits. The energy was a really good color pick. Upgrades. Yeah, soda. I was expecting it to be golden, and the text will not be completely white. I don't know why he recommended me this, but yeah, let's see. Uh, yeah, this is my day one. Uh, Sorry, the video was really tiring. The video was kinda annoying, kinda uh, uh, I don't know this word in English, but anyway, this is a huge achievement for me because I finally was able to play a full project, record a devlog, talking to a front of a camera with a microphone. I never spoke English to public, only Portuguese, but it's on a abandoned channel. I will not tell what it is. So yeah, let's see. The name of the game will be Power Walk, and let's see what this game will turn into. See ya.